We are all packed up and ready to go. I got my 2 carry-on bags, this backpack and this tote bag and my check bag. Let's go to Pennsylvania. If you guys happen to be new to my channel, my name is Brooke and I'm really excited. In this vlog I'm going to be visiting my mom, who just got a place outside of Philadelphia because she works there, but we still have our house on Long Island. It's kind of confusing. Actually it's really not that confusing at all. I don't know why I said that, but I'm really excited. I haven't seen her, it's only been a few weeks I guess, but I just wanted to plan a trip and I'm gonna go for a little less than a week and stay with her, so it'll be a really good time. And if you guys are new here, definitely be sure to subscribe. You guys tend to really like the videos that my mom is in, so hopefully you guys like them this week, just vlogs and stuff like that. Okay, wait, so first I made it to Pennsylvania. My flight was so quick. It was one of those small planes, Mom. I told you about it. And I was so tired. I was like sleeping on like, whatever. I put on my headphones and was basically sleeping. And then we drove to Exton, which is where my mom and dad have their apartment. And it is so freaking cute, you guys. And my mom just told me that my dad's actually gonna come down tomorrow, so I get to see him, which is really exciting. I'm so happy about it. Anyways, this is what we got for dinner. We just got Uber Eats delivered and we got some queso, chips, fajitas of sorts. I think this is either a quesadilla or the fajitas.
Down for the queso.
This is the quesadilla. Yum. Oh, look at the fajitas, Mom.
What?
They're like in a bowl.
Ooh.
Yum, right? And then, hi.
Hey.
Welcome back. Yeah, no, I'll show you guys more of the apartment tomorrow. Oh, you're just like, I'll show you guys more of the apartment tomorrow because it is actually stunning and kind of similar to mine, like with this vibe. So we'll go over it tomorrow. And we're gonna eat and hang out and catch up.
Have some fun.
Have some
Miccio gals.
sleepover. Hi guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning. I don't even know what happened. I slept in so much, that was wild. I slept until like, what time, Mom? Like 9:30?
Yes, and only because I came in.
Yeah, that was so crazy. So we're actually headed to brunch right now. My dad is driving up. Okay, I also got a lot of, down. Oh shoot, down. But I got a lot of messages, not a lot, but a few people messaged like, oh, are your parents divorced? Because I guess I posted like my mom's apartment.
Yeah.
So we'll clarify that today on Instagram. Not true at all. But you could understand how people would.
But I do have to correct you on something else. You said in your pod 4 to 5 hours.
What is
to
it?
get here? 3 to 4.
Sorry.
Oh my God.
Okay.
And don't get me wrong. It's been 5.
Yeah,
When it's 5.
okay,
I might be arrested for killing someone.
Oh my
Like,
God.
5 is no.
Like you're,
like,
yeah. Okay, well, anyways, my mom has this place for work. And I mean, it's still my parents' place, but my mom is the one who physically works here. Is that the best way to describe it?
Yes, but it's for all of us.
I know, it's very sweet.
Yes.
I know, it's very sweet. So, this is bad for OOTD, Mom, because it's blocked.
I know, but you know,
I know. She
like
has
me, you're not looking for the
OOTD
Yeah,
pic. She has the IKEA mirror though that I have in my apartment and I love it, and the lighting's actually better. People like destroy me because of my like lighting. I don't know if you, because it's like
rough.
Yeah, it's rough. But I love this mirror though. I find it's the most flattering on the body and stuff. So
Yeah, I mean, so it's closed, but my alternative was here, and it was so weird here because if you're watching TV, and you're looking at the mirror, you're looking like you.
BB. Wait, I was thinking a lot of people are asking for links to your furniture and I'll just link in this video.
Sure.
Because it's the same couch as mine, same table as mine from Wayfair.
Yeah, but yours is better. You did the round.
Oh, okay, but same like collection though?
Round,
yeah. And then, I don't know, where's this from?
HomeSense.
Oh, so we can't link that. Okay, but And then the rug is from my room at school, if any of you guys remember.
Yeah.
And then I love this lamp. Where's that from?
Target.
Great.
You know who has the same one?
You.
Danielle.
Oh.
She lived it. Like I saw it. I was
Oh
like,
my
I have the
god.
same.
Oh yeah. She's literally in her room.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Wait, that's so funny. So this is my fit. Princess Polly. Jeans are Topshop. These are, in my opinion, the most flattering freaking jeans. They're the Topshop Jamie jeans.
They're cute.
They're just like, they're tight, but I feel like they do something good for the legs. And then the shoes are white Vince that are already getting really dirty.
Yeah,
and
you can clean those with even like a wipe.
yeah, I know. And then I have a sweater over top from Rent the Runway that I'm gonna wear. And we're gonna go get some brunch. And then my dad's gonna come later. What else are we doing today?
I'm going to work.
Yeah.
I told you to go to brunch because Mama's got to work.
And I'll show you guys like more comprehensive of the apartment later with the links and everything, I guess, because, but I'm hungry. Let's go.
Let's go. I'm hungry too.
So we did the buffet situation, and it's like you get little eggs Benny, a little coffee action. Cheers. So what is this area called? Eagle View?
Yes.
It's really freaking cute, you guys, in PA. Crunchy leaves.
Oh god.
Okay, I just met the cutest girls. You guys, this is Marissa, Caitlin, Madison. Yeah. Right? Did I do that right? We're literally like walking out. Oh my god, they're so cute. Thanks for saying hi. I got her sold on the Laneige lip mask.
Oh my god.
Do you love it?
So great. We have totally different lip colors though.
Yeah, but it's just like a light balm.
I'm a big fan.
I changed into this Princess Polly getup.
That is really cute.
It's very
I like it
housewife.
like this.
I feel like it looks bigger on me that way.
I think it's cute. No.
Okay, well, I feel like a snowman kind of, but it's very
I love it.
unique.
You look cute, Bob.
Thanks, Mom. Oh, so we met those sweet girls. I don't think I updated the clip since then. Yeah, they were so cute. Two of them are freshmen in college. One of them is senior in high school. Very cute. So we're gonna go. My mom's gonna show me like the rest of the property because it's like an apartment, but they have amenities, you know, like the gym, the clubhouse, like all that stuff. And then we're gonna go get a coffee because we haven't drank enough coffees today. And then my dad's gonna get here, so. Now we're at Main Street Exton where we're picking up my dad a salad, but I just want to show you guys, they have a cycle bar here. I've always wanted to try it, Mom. So it's like a mix between Orange Theory and cycling because your results are shown on a board. Like Orange Theory, but it's like cycling, so it's like competition based.
Yeah.
I don't know. I heard really good things about it. I feel like I would like it just by the aesthetics, but this is our favorite salad place, but we just ate. We're just picking up for my dad. So it is a little bit later and I just sat over here, started doing some work on my computer. My dad's here and we are just hanging. My mom went to work, getting things done. My dad is like doing new things in here, setting up like a desk and stuff because when did you guys get this place? Like a month or two ago? Pretty recently, right? A month, but they're hanging artwork. You guys did a really good job of finding like cool stuff from Home Goods or Home Sense and things like that, I feel. Mom did a lot of it. Yeah, it looks good. Got the welcome sign over here. It's cute. We're shopping for like stuff for the apartment right now. I literally don't understand like all this stuff, like the whole screws and home fixing stuff of it all, so I'm trying to learn. Hey guys, I think I'm literally about to change again. I'm about to go to dinner with my parents, but my dad's actually working out and my mom's at work right now, so I'm here alone and I figured I would show you a better look at the apartment because we didn't really get to do that, so let's do it. So when you walk in, this is the bathroom. I absolutely love it. The finishing on everything is so nice. So I think I said it, oh my gosh, like it's such a nice shower and tub and everything. I think I said it, but my mom got this place for work. Like she works around here, not all the time, but like she's here honestly like once a week now at this point. So she got this place to stay over instead of doing hotels all the time. We did something similar as like a family and got a place in Florida when she was working in Florida for a while. So it just kind of is more accommodating for the schedule, I think, to like have a place here. And then this is the kitchen. I just absolutely love the like white. My mom said that there was a choice of like you could get a unit with like dark features or like white, and I love the white. I think it makes it so nice. Here, let's see if there's better lighting. Oh yeah, there we have it. Sorry, I keep it dark. I'm like such a dark light person. But yeah, it's really, really nice. We got the M. My mom said most of her decor is from, I don't even know where most of it's from actually. I guess like those I know are from Target. It's probably like Home Goods, stuff like that. A lot of the furniture is from Wayfair, so I can go ahead and link that below. Like this is my couch. Like I said, my table before Target. Yeah, I love this. I don't even know, do we want to call it painting? It's not a painting, it's like art. I love that. And that is from HomeSense, I believe. This is, so then it splits into like 2 rooms, I should say. There's plenty of cabinet storage. And then it splits into 2 rooms. So we have like my room or like the guest room. If my brother comes or whatever, and obviously it's not finished, we just put this desk together. And then my stuff is clearly a mess. And then this is my little bed. It's cute. It's actually my Lowell mattress that I had at school. So, and the frame and everything is like my bed. And then I think these side tables are from Wayfair. They're really nice for the price. And then this is, you guys might remember my rug from school. And then we can go and I'll show you her room. Really, really cute. I love this. And there is a balcony, which is really nice. I wish I had a balcony in my place. That would be the only thing that would be like, make my place like next level, is if I had a balcony. But I love my apartment so much. And it's very homey, this apartment here. I love it. And then she has a really, really big closet in there. And then it connects to the bathroom. So, oh yeah, more things here. But I absolutely love it. And I've just been hanging with my parents all day, which has been so nice. I love spending time with them. Like, it's just the best. Like, it truly is. I wish my brother was here, but he stayed home because he has school coming up. Actually, he doesn't have school tomorrow, but he's like lacrosse practice and stuff, so he's gonna make it. It's fine. What is this? Is this a pantry? Oh, there's like a closet. There's so much closet space in this place. Yeah. So that's basically what I'm up to. I think I'm gonna go change again because I'm just not feeling my look right now. And we're about to go to dinner just in Exton somewhere, I think. And then, yeah, we're about to have like a series of days. This is just a 2-day vlog, and then I'll have more vlogs coming when I'm here. A lot of people ask what my mom does for work, so I kind of want to like show more of that if I can. Not everything, obviously, because it's impossible to like show people's work and be like, hey, this is like what I do every day, because you can't like show your work, but like I could explain what she does for a living maybe more, because I know there's a lot of like, well, what the heck confusion, which I totally understand. And I have all my stuff just out here because I was like editing videos and stuff, just getting stuff done. I feel really productive. I'm really motivated because I have some exciting things in the works. Nothing like crazy. I say exciting things and people are like, oh my God, like she's doing like crazy stuff. It's nothing like too wild, but I will say that I'm working on more like product for you guys, like selling more stuff. It's not gonna be like clothes though, so think about that. But exciting things in the works that I have my assistants helping me with. So everything is really good. Just having an awesome Sunday, truly. I'm all ready for dinner. I changed into this sweater, which I already took pictures in, so I guess I'm just not gonna take any pictures. I normally don't take pictures when I'm with my family anyways, because like I'm just hanging with my family. The sweater is from ASOS. I did a huge order from them. I think I showed it in a previous vlog, and I'm just so happy with the quality of this sweater. I think it was like 40 bucks. And it is super soft. It fits well because it's like oversized, but like not huge. And it's like this really pretty cream color. I just love it. And the neckline and stuff, 10 out of 10 this sweater. So if I could link it, I will. As well as the furniture, like I said a million times. So we're at this Mexican restaurant. What is this called? Plaza Azteca. If you guys get the chance to come here, I would highly recommend. And then we got the sangria, the canned cheese dip guac. And then we got balled out. Big ballers. That's a fat plate of food.
Wow, look at this.
I know. I got a taco salad because that's what I get every Mexican restaurant. Yum. And the sangria is really good. This is so funny. So now we're at Target because my mom needed some cold medicine and stuff like that. And the sign is here to remind us of Danielle. Cozy. If you listen to Gals on the Go, you know we always say that. It's like a joke. Wait. Yeah, right. I love the dollar section. I think I am. Oh yeah, it's dollars now. I think I'm having like a Halloween party the day after Halloween. So I'm inspired by the decor. I don't know, but I was thinking, Mom, oh my God, look at this sweatshirt. It says warm and cozy. So this is the nail polish that you use, right?
This is different.
Why do you use it?
Because it lasts like a week. And it's not gel.
Mine is gel.
This is amazing. It's just regular polish.
I use OPI though. This is Lincoln Park After Dark OPI. So I think I'm having a Halloween party the day after Halloween. So I need to get like decor ideas, but I was thinking I kind of want to do like black lights. But if you guys know any ways that I could do these without it being like $1 million, because I know black lights are pretty expensive.
They are?
I think if you just buy like the bulbs on Amazon, it's not, but if you order like actual, like real, like authentic black lights, they're pretty expensive. I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong. Honestly, this was like, I looked it up like 5 years ago, so. But let me know. What do you guys think? Because I'm gonna do it in my apartment, like move the furniture to the side and stuff, so. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I only get that one. Yeah.
I don't need it for here. I want Daddy to bring it home. What do you want to hold?
My mom's so sniffly. My mom's sick and I'm getting her emergency because I swear it works. So we're home decor shopping. Oh my gosh, I got the cutest pillows at Target the other day, Mom. I think I told you. Yeah, it's really nice.
I would like this if this had a little more
cushiness.
No, a little more yellow for your to break up the bottom.
I like keeping with the yellow though. Look how cute this is. I saw this in my Target. I don't know what you do with that, but this is cute. It's a reversible.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
No.
Wait, maybe it's not. I saw one that was reversible and it said like, oh, this one. Let's go out, let's stay in.
Oh my God, that's so cute.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna break it. Oh, this is cool. It's a letterboard. I love letterboards. Oh my God, I love all this stuff. It's so cute. I bought one of these. Did I not show you? It says like, let's get after it or something.
This is like basically my dishes.
Yeah, it's very your vibe. I love this silverware like that.
Yeah.
That's really nice. Oh my God. They have cute stuff. They have really cute stuff right now. The problem, I agree, like you buy the fall decor and then it's like time to transition to Christmas already.
Yeah.
So.
And also I'm still looking for an ottoman. I thought they would have it here.
That's the pink one I got.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Isn't it nice?
Oh, Brooke.
Do you like it?
What about this?
Perfect.
Expensive.
Are you sure that that's the price of it?
$50.
Are you sure?
Because that's really perfect, isn't it?
I feel like it can't be that expensive. It's just a poof. Let's check. It's a poof. It's not an ottoman.
Yeah.
Mine was that much though.
Is this good though?
I love that.
Okay,
cute.
good.
Yeah, did you see the one that I got? Look, and it has storage.
Yes.
It has storage on the inside.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's really nice. This one I just got. I'll try to link it below. I'll link this one too. I really like this.
If that was blue, I would.
Oh, cute.
Yeah,
oh, well, that one's nice.
That one.
These are all really nice. They have good like little furniture pieces. They're not super cheap though.
Oh, here, let's look it up. Do we want to bet?
Yeah. Do you think it is that price or no? I'm gonna say no.
Where's the scannable?
Right there.
Okay, get ready.
I'm gonna say like 50. Hi. Oh my God.
It's expensive.
Why is this one more than mine was? Are you gonna get it?
Yes.
Hey, boo.
It's funny. This is what happens. Daddy doesn't want to come in with us. We get easily distracted.
He would not be very happy if he was in here with us right now. Home decor shopping. About to get into bed, maybe watch a YouTube video or two. But thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Had a lot of fun with my parents and stuff. I love seeing them. Like I've reiterated like 20 times in this video. Honestly, when you're feeling low, go see your parents. If I could give you advice, because it makes me feel better. The walls are like paper thin. They can probably hear me right now. So I'm gonna go to bed. I love you guys so much and stay tuned for the next vlog. I'm literally gonna just vlog again tomorrow. And later this week, I'm going to see Tori. So it's gonna be really, really fun. I'm very excited. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.